Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be doing a little winter morning get ready with me for the day. So this is my little end result. I am already ready, so I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Also, I wanted to give a quick thank you so much to Neutrogena for sponsoring this video and partnering with me on this. My skin is looking flawless, so thank you guys so much. See that? See that little glowy right there, you guys? And yeah, like I said, I hope that you guys enjoy this little get ready with me and glow up session. Okay, so I'm gonna twirl out right now, and unready Kelsey is gonna twirl in. So here we go. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a little winter get ready with me, and I'm gonna just show you how I like to get ready in the morning, what I do. Before I start makeup or before I start anything, I do like to wash my face first and foremost. I do this right when I wake up in the morning, like when I'm brushing my teeth. I need to wash my face because it wakes me up in the morning and I have a pretty hard time waking up. So what I'm going to use to wash my face is this Neutrogena Hydra Boost Gentle Cleansing Lotion. Now, if you've seen my skincare videos before, you have heard many times that I have both sensitive and extremely dry skin. Now, it is winter, so this is the point of the year when it is the driest and the most sensitive. So I have to be even more extra careful what I use in my skincare, so I have to use stuff that's specifically for sensitive skin and stuff that's really hydrating. And I also love this little blue combo we've got going on. It's fragrance free, which is the best thing if you have sensitive skin. That is most commonly what causes your face to either be red or irritated, is a lot of the fragrances, and this doesn't have any fragrance in it, which is great. So this cleanser is hypoallergenic, it's paraben free, it has hyaluronic acid in it, which is something I always look for in my cleansers, and it's just all around perfect, does the job, has everything that I need in it. So I'm just going to wash my face with this right before I do my makeup to have a fresh, clean face. And I also like to get the neck. Don't ever skip the neck. Now I just towel patted my face dry, and I'm going to moisturize my face before I move on to makeup. This is a year-round step for me. I moisturize my face like 3 times a day because I have to. Now I'm going to hydrate my face. I'm going to use a serum, and I'm also using a Neutrogena product. Now I want to talk about this. I think I've talked about it in another video before. I'm using my 3 skincare products that I'm using before I do my makeup are all from the same brand, and I find that if you definitely have sensitive skin too, this helps a lot, is sometimes like products don't mix well together. So if you use skincare products that are all from the same brand, obviously they use all of the same ingredients in their skincare, they use all of the same oils, so there's nothing that's ever going to have a reaction on your face, and I've had that happen to me before. So I use the cleanser, I'm going to use the Neutrogena serum, and I'm also going to use a little bit of the Neutrogena eye cream after this. So this is the Hydra Boost Multivitamin Booster. This also has hyaluronic acid in it, just like the cleanser. It is very moisturizing, which is great for my skin. It has vitamin E in it, which is really great, and I'm going to use this alone just as its own serum, but it actually says that you can mix it in with another moisturizer or use it before your moisturizer, doubling up. I love that. Today I'm just, trying to do like a little quick early morning routine, so I'm just going to go in with the serum, and honestly it definitely gives me enough hydration that I don't also need to use a moisturizer. I just like to take whatever's extra and I like run it all the way down. And now we're gonna use some eye cream. Eye cream was something I always used to like skip sometimes in my skincare routine, but it's just one of those things that now has become one of those daily rituals. I am making myself apply it every single morning because I never want to get old. So this is the Hydra Boost Gel Eye Cream, also with hyaluronic acid. This eye cream is super duper hydrating, and I find that it actually stays on for a pretty long time, which is nice, and it is the gel consistency, which I honestly think I prefer more so than just like a cream, which like absorbs and then it's like you never did anything, you know? Okay, love this thing. Now I'm gonna go in with my jade roller. I've talked about these things, I love them. I am going to press in the rest of my product. I still have obviously my moisturizer and my eye cream. It's not fully soaked in yet, so this kind of helps me work the product into my skin a little bit better. And also it's really cold, so it's great at depuffing, and it's just like a nice little face massage at the same time too. You can give yourself like a little temple rub. These things are great. I typically in the morning just sit here and do this for like 15 minutes because, in the morning I'm still tired and I'm just like sitting here like this. That's most of the time what I'm doing. Now my face is nice and clean and moisturized, and right after my skincare, I like to let my skin like settle down for a minute. So I'm gonna do my hair really quickly before I get into my makeup. So I'm gonna do my little famous sleek bun. I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and I'm gonna brush through all of my hair. So I'm just gonna take some of my favorite hair oil and I'm just going to rub this into the ends of my hair. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this finishing cream and I'm going to smooth this onto the top of my hair to just sort of sleek down all the baby hairs, make sure everything looks really nice and sleek. Now that I have this cream on, I take my little comb and I start to really make sure everything is nice and flat, and I'm going to make a ponytail really tight at the bottom of my neck. We're gonna get a second little hair tie. We're going to twist all of my hair and then we're going to just twist it into a little bun. And there we go, there's my little ballerina bun. When I did ballet, this is how I always had to do my hair. And I don't know, I just kind of, this is my go-to look now. Now is when we're gonna get into makeup. I'm gonna do a little bit of like a more sheer foundation. I don't like to wear anything with a lot of coverage. I know that that does not look my color. But like I said, it's really sheer and it sort of blends into your actual skin tone. There we go. I think that's blended enough. I look the same color, right? And then I'm gonna do a little bit of this duo, which is a highlight cheek duo, so it's super convenient and easy to use, and I just blend it in with my fingers. And then I'm just going to brush my eyebrows into place. My last few steps for the makeup look is just a thin coat of mascara and some lip balm. And now, makeup is fully done. This is my very, very natural, everyday makeup look. Now that I'm ready, ready from here up, I'm going to change into some clothes. All right, and now that I'm dressed, I'm just going to change my accessories. And last but not least, a little bit of perfume. And then I spray one in my hair. All right, that seems to be it. That is everything. Now I am ready to go. I hope that you guys enjoyed this winter get ready with me. I actually really love doing get ready with me. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. If you like get ready with me videos and you want to see more of them, give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you like them, as well as make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every single Tuesday and every single Friday. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.